I'm just so proud to be from the South Side. Some of the best food you would eat is on the South Side of Chicago. I created Justice of the Pies in memory of my late father, who was a criminal defense attorney, to honor his belief that people deserve second chances. I see myself using that ethos to say, these are the gifts and the talents that I have. How can I use it to impact the lives of others? To have a purpose that is greater than myself.
She lives the same ethos that we do, which is participate in and invest in the future.
Talenti reached out to us, appreciating the work that we've done in the community, and they wanted to provide support however they could.
It's very important for me to make my first home, my first retail storefront space on the South Side of Chicago. Take my brand and put it in a neighborhood that people may see as undesirable. I want to force people to travel from far and come experience my food in this neighborhood.
She has such a goal of serving a purpose, a higher good than just making money.
I don't know another baker in this town that's working as hard as she is.
My dream is to make this the permanent home of Justice of the Pies. I just want a company that can serve as a vehicle for giving back.
We're very much of the mind that people who are doing good work deserve good things.
Oh, hey!
So, in partnership with Talenti, I'd like to present this grant.
We are so inspired by your story and your work that we're excited to gift you $50,000. Sincerely, your friends at Talenti. Wow, my heart's beating. This is amazing. Food is very emotional, and it's something that ties us together. I feel more fulfilled because I was able to bring joy to someone else.
So Maya-Camille?
I feel good when I know that I've made a difference.